This hardened stainless steel gauging pin ensures precise alignment of its chucks in radial, axial, and angular positions. This tool counts with an alignment area of 50 millimeters. Supporting feet, chucking spigot FOA, and centering plate. Now, let's get technical. Sized at 51x5 1x60 millimeters. Crafted from stainless steel for 2048512RC with a tolerance of concentricity tolerance plus or minus 0.002 millimeters. For the application, you need to align and determine the center of Erowa compatible chucks. Looking to improve your precision? Check out our Erowa Gauging pin ER-008617 compatible on our website. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And stay tuned for more machining insights.